Alright, welcome back guys. So I am now back in my garage and I'm about to take this off the jack stand first, well off the stand first, and then drain the bike. I'm just gonna have to be very awkward in holding it up to drain it, because this is not like an actual stand where I have to have the hole in the middle so I can actually drain my oil. But I'm gonna go ahead and drain it for a little bit. Take the cap at the top off to let some air in. Once I'm done that, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the stand after I plug it back up, and then start removing the clutch to add my EBC clutch in there and go from there. I do still need to find something to soak this in though. That's what I'm gonna go do. I would say I could put my jack stands on it to, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna drain it first and then I'm gonna go ahead and find something to put this in the soak. I kind of wanted to do, oh, actually, I have a bucket. I'm gonna use this red bucket. I'm gonna clean it out first. And then I'm gonna soak them in there before I start on this, so that while I'm doing this, they can soak for a little bit. So I'll be back. All right, so eventually I am gonna have to like buy a little bowl for this, since I'll probably be doing this a lot more often. For now, I'm gonna just use this bucket. I cleaned it out. I'm gonna set the clutches in there before I start on anything else, just to give it time to soak. In the meantime, between time, I might just let them soak overnight as well. But then again, I don't want to rush. So I got this off of, what is it called? Damn. I forgot what it was called. Oh, Motorcycle ID. That's where I bought these from. Only because they could get it to me like next day. And I'm very impatient when it comes to stuff like that. So I was like, yeah, let me just hurry up and get that. It comes with the friction plates and the smooth plates and the springs that go with it. So I'm gonna put some oil in the bucket first. I got some extra transmission oil over there. I'm gonna pour that in there.
Start it up.
Because I don't have the tool for this, I was just on the form. I already loosened one up, but since I don't have the tool by myself, I'm gonna just stomp on the brake and just break all the bolts loose. My bike is also in gear, by the way. That's if you don't have the tool, because I definitely just had to figure out how to get it off without using the tool. Alright, so I have gotten all of the bolts and springs out. I have put them right there. Hopefully they don't fall. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plates out, but first I'm gonna get me a zip tie so that I know which way they went in and how to put the new ones in. I did it with my last bike. It's very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that zip tie and then start taking these out and then cleaning everything up. Just a light cleaning of everything, you know, just get all of the old oil out. Probably get some brake cleaner and clean out this one. It doesn't really need, yeah, just spray it quickly. Not inside. I am gonna just wipe the inside. I don't really want to spray brake cleaner in there. It probably wouldn't be a problem, but I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm not. Just clean off the pressure plate and then come back. I'm so cute. I'm so adorable. I'm trying to get a good camera angle for y'all. I'm always like trying to find a better angle. Now that I got my little setup that I can bend it any which way, I'm just trying to get like a really good like angle for y'all to see all of this. I'm still finding my way, and I'm pretty sure this will not be the last video of me doing this, because I probably will be doing maintenance on all of my shit a lot more, especially when I clean everything out. So I need to take better care of my shit. I always just be like, fuck it, it's get ruined, just replace it. I can't keep doing that. That's money spent for no reason. First ones. I need a flathead to just get the rest of them to come forward. Of course, gonna be stuck. Just gently like wiggle it on out. Yeah, just gently wiggle it on out. Is that all of them? No, got a few more. Trying to keep these in order as best as I can. The way my luck's set up, I fuck around and drop all of them. Ain't that some shit? Is that it? Is that all of it? Okay. Cool. So I got all of them in the order that they came out of. It's very easy because I'll set them down and forget. Just zip tie them together. That way I can just see which order that they come out of. I will set it facing upward to indicate that that is the top. And then when I put the new ones in, I'll start from the bottom, of course. I'll just know, actually. Let me Yeah, so I'll just remember that the tab is the starting point and this is the last. I'll just remember that for myself, because in 10 minutes I'm liable to actually forget the shit. I want to clean it so bad. I don't need to though, y'all. All right. So they're both smooth. It's fucking same to me. All right. So let's see. This is how it goes in first. So friction plate first. Maybe I'm tripping. I'm gonna insert them and then look up. But on these, they kinda, I don't know if they're even supposed to, but they kinda have like, I don't think the camera's gonna focus. They kinda have like a little dip. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit like a step. And I don't know if that's from wear and tear or if that's how they're supposed to be. Because these don't have like a little step to them, so I'm not really sure about that. Let me see. It's on one side. Might just be the brand, but I want to make sure. That like, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm gonna check on that. I probably should start wearing gloves. I'm gonna check on that afterwards because there was no problem. Like there's no step or anything on this, so I'm not too sure on why it would be a step on that. Alright, so oh wait. Ah! Okay, my bad. Friction plate first. Friction plate first, then that plate. Almost messed up already, and I just goddamn started. Yeah, friction plate first. Okay, I've already put the pressure plate, I cleaned it off, and then I put it back on. I'm going to, almost put the wrong bolt on. Lightly, oh wait, that's right. New springs. I'm about to sit here and put the old springs on. Forgetting I got new ones. So, to go with what I just installed. Apparently they're heavy duty springs, so let's see. Compared to the old ones, same. They seem a little thicker. I don't know. Yeah, so old ones, new ones probably won't focus. Never does, at least for me. I don't know. But yes, install the new ones on. Just lightly seat them. Same way you took them off, star pattern, put them back, same star pattern. And I am gonna just hand tighten them. As soon as I find my socket. Hand tighten them and then do the same method for taking them off, slamming my foot on the brake and go from there. Just snugging them. If I had another extension, I do have another. I don't feel like getting up. If I had my other extension, I would just take it and just swivel it, but oh, this is cool. All right, cool. So now that they're all snugged, now I'm gonna go ahead and step on the brake, same way, move these out the way. Step on the brake and just basically a snug-a-dug. And yeah, that'll be good enough. And then I could put the cover back on, which I kind of want to paint because I have it all. But I'm gonna just chill the fuck out because it's gonna get powder coated eventually anyway, so. All right. that was all on the changing of the clutch for the Cr125 in the background. It didn't take me about that long. I would say if you actually have the tool and you have a stand, it should take probably around 15 to 30 minutes, honestly. It wasn't that bad. Just a few things you need, but as you know already what to do. If y'all can go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Probably still said it wrong, but do those things for me and turn on your notifications so you know when I post more stuff for either the Cr125 build or the BRZ once it comes back. I will probably be posting even more projects. Like I said in my last video, I just gotta find the time to clean up everything and get started on that. So that's about it. This is the end of my video of clutch plates for the Cr125.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy.